Hey everyone, in this video I am going to quickly show you how to cancel a direct debit in Monzo. First, open the Monzo app and go to the payment section at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the scheduled payment tab. This will show you a list of all direct debits and subscriptions linked to your Monzo account. Find the direct debit you want to cancel and tap on it. Then select Cancel Direct Debit. This will stop Monzo from allowing that company to take any further payment from your account. However, if you are under a contract with a provider, it's a good idea to reach out to them directly to confirm that the cancellation is complete and no further charges will occur. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.